Hello, my name is Hannah and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I will be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo Life, finished in a Smokey Grey Metallic Paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 1 litre Petrol TSI engine and manual transmission, ideal for those wanting a lovely first car or to downsize. Fitted with features such as the LED daytime headlights, electric folding wind mirrors for the extra protection when parked, and the lovely 15-inch Essex alloy wheels. As we enter the boot area, you can see this has a great space of 351 litres, perfect for those who need to fit their essentials in and other things such as shopping. Moving into the rear seats with a cloth trim finish for a more comfortable and cosy feeling, with 2 charging sockets accessible in the back. Moving into the front with the multi-functioning steering wheel with central touch display and a cloth trim finish seats, bringing extra comfortability for them long journeys. The steering wheel offers a variety of audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you have a variety of different radio channels to keep you entertained on your journeys. App Connect, this allows you to connect your phone and Bluetooth so you can choose what to listen to. Assistance allows you that extra safety and precaution whilst on the roads. Onto the manual climate controls, which are found below the screen, following with the central console with 2 charging sockets and 2 large cup holders and a central storage armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.